In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a portfolio website for free. That's right, completely free. Take a look at this professional portfolio website. I built this at no cost. It includes sections like About Me, Work Experience, Skill Showcases, a portfolio of my work, client testimonials, and much more. You can easily create a website just like this one and customize all the text, images, and more. I'll guide you through each step. By following this tutorial, you'll also have the skills to design e-commerce sites, blogs, and even newspaper websites. So, let's get started on making your free portfolio website. To build your website without any expenses, we'll be using a free web hosting service called Infinity Free. This service is well known globally, offering fast, reliable hosting with unlimited storage and a 99% uptime guarantee. To begin, you'll need to create an account. Just register using your email and password. Once you've filled in that information, click on Sign Up to proceed. I already have an account, I am gonna log in. Here are all my existing free websites. To create a new website, click on Create Account. We will create this website for free, that's why choosing the free plan. Write your desired domain name here. They will provide a free subdomain. Choose the domain extension, I prefer this one. Sometimes it might be unavailable, so you should try a different name. I don't want to receive promotional emails. Create account. The hosting account creation started. Sometimes it takes several minutes. Then it will load automatically. Just keep patience. The hosting account has just been created. Now we will make our site visible. To do this, we need to install the script. Just click on Script Installer. Click on WordPress. Click on Install. Choose HTTP here. And set your website admin username and password. Must remember this. Our website is visible now. A default design is shown here. Let's design it. First, log in to your website. Under the Appearance section, click on Themes. Add a new theme. Under the Popular section, you will find the Astra theme. Install and activate that. After activating the Astra theme, you will see a pop-up like this. It will recommend installing that Starter Template plugin. Click on it. It will redirect to the setup page. We want to create this website from totally zero experience. Choose this option. Now choose Elementor. On this page, you will find many pre-built designs. Many of them are free. Only premium tag designs are not free. As we will create a portfolio website for free, jump to this section. I think this free design is perfect for me. Click on it. Then continue. Skip this step. And move on. Our dummy website is created. Now you can easily modify the texts or images. Before that, let me show you how to change this website title and tag. Go to General Settings. Change this site title and the tagline. You can also set this site icon. Site icons are actually this. I am skipping it now because I don't have the site icon ready. Then save it. See, it is showing well. Now we will change the text and the image. Click on Edit with Elementor. This edit page will come. Sometimes it takes several minutes to load this edit page. Just keep patience. We will change this heading first. Just select and edit. You will also see the edit option here. This is a small introduction to the person. Edit it as you wish. Now we will change the image. Click on it and go to the Change option. Before uploading your image, make sure the new image is in this dimension. Otherwise, your image will not show well. Let me show you an example. I will upload a formal image here. This picture is showing small. Also, the background of the image should be removed. First, resize it. Go to this website. Upload the image. Now check the dimensions we need. In the crop option, select aspect ratio. Give the ratio. We found the ratio, now crop it with the perfect size. Perfect. Now we need to save that file. Save the image as JPG. It's downloaded. Now we will remove the background of the image. We will make it transparent. Upload the cropped image here. The background is transparent now. Download it. Now we will set this image in our portfolio website. It is well set. After any changes, make sure you click on Publish. Now checking our website. It looks fine. You can change any element using the same method. For example, let me modify the social links. Just go to the Edit page and click on the social element. You will find social icons here. Paste the social profile link here. Let's see the effect. Look, the link is working. So, this is how you can create a portfolio website for free. Just modify the whole page like this. Customize as you need. Just follow the steps and let me know by commenting. And don't forget to like and subscribe.